In this neighbourhood, we switched out petrol-driven and corded equipment to Husqvarna battery-powered products. These are the families that participated in the experiment. And this is what happened.
This is the first time that we used battery products for the gardening and really liked it.
We actually have 2 mowers. One is powered by the cord, and at our country house we have one which is petrol powered.
Compared to our old one, this is so much better.
So much quieter.
When we use them, it doesn't feel like we are disturbing the neighbors.
I experience battery products far less risky than petrol-powered products. You don't have to have any petrol at home. Quite quiet, so you can feel free to use them almost whenever you want.
It's easy to just put them back of the car and bring them up to the country house. You don't have to think about the petrol leaking out or oil dripping on the floor or anything.
It's much lighter to carry.
Much more easy to handle, especially with the height of this hedge.
We have one battery for several machines. That is also convenient and easy.
Push a button compared to pull and pull, and yeah, you never know if it's going to start or not. So this was very, very easy.
Some people say that petrol products are better, but that's not true.
I think it is definitely as powerful as petrol-powered tools.
Learn more about the Silent Neighbourhood Effect at Husqvarna.com.